Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to reset the 2017 Honda Pilot maintenance light. Start with the ignition off, press and hold the trip button, then turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Keep holding the trip button until the maintenance light blinks and goes out, usually about 10 seconds. If the light stays on, repeat the steps and carefully check the owner's manual for system details. To prepare, park the Pilot on level ground and set the parking brake. Turn the ignition to on without starting, then press the trip meter button to display trip A. Press and hold the trip button until the maintenance required light blinks, then release and press again for confirmation. Wait for the light to reset fully, then turn the ignition off and start the engine to verify the reset completed successfully. Please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: if you like hands-free cleaning, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for smarter floor care with voice control and reliable navigation. It cuts cleaning time and keeps carpets and hard floors tidy with little effort. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the maintenance light fails to reset, verify the battery has full charge and the connectors are secure. Try repeating the reset sequence slowly and ensure trip A is displayed before holding the button. If it still won't reset, inspect the dashboard fuse and any maintenance code readers you used. Visit a trusted mechanic for diagnostics or use an OBD2 scanner to read stored codes, which often indicate the underlying issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.